think we've lost his connection, but let's quickly turn our focus to some other news coming in. Ashutosh and Shahid, thank you for joining us earlier on this story. Now, in the Ketan Agarwal murder case, police say that during the last 5 days of custody, they've carried out detailed questioning of the accused Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary. Investigators have reportedly examined 12 important aspects of the case, including digital evidence, sequence of events and statements from new witnesses. Officials say the findings and collected evidence will be presented in court today, which may provide further direction to the investigation. Shweta Verma is joining us for more details on this story. Shweta, evidence all set to be presented in court today in the Chetan case?
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, a big day for the Pune Rural Police as well as the team of Lonavala Gramin Police, as today they would be seeking the further remand as far as the prime alleged accused in Ketan Agarwal murder case are concerned, that's Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary. Having said that, we have also seen that that was their second remand that is getting over. With this, they have collected, as in the police have collected the circumstantial evidences as well as the digital trail of the conspiracy to murder and how actually they plan to execute the murder. Importantly, we have to also understand that now the polygraphy test is also remaining. Having said that, the police has also backed up by taking the consent of Goyal in this particular case. And today, what transpires in the court is something important to see.
More breaking news, in fact, now coming in on this big story. Of the Ketan Agarwal case, forensic examination has reportedly led to the recovery of deleted data from mobile phones linked to Sia and Chetan, as well as worker Neeraj Kumar. Officials say the digital evidence is being analyzed as part of the ongoing probe. So, more digital evidence has been uncovered. Shweta, deleted data recovered?
Right. In fact, police was looking for this particular deleted conversation between Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary. Remember, with the help of advanced forensic team and the confiscated devices, that's the mobile phone, the retrieving of the deleted data had happened now, and that will be also serving as an important digital trail of evidences before the court. So clearly we see that the police was trying to assess through which medium they were trying to communicate. And remember, previously we have reported that how more than 2,000 calls were made between them, and 238 hours of conversation between Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary was something police was trying to assess that what exactly were the topics in this particular conversation when it comes to the alleged plotting and killing of Ketan Agarwal.
Right. Stay with us. More breaking news, in fact, now emerging. Case investigation is continuing into whether the accused Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary had any meetings or communication with anyone after the incident. Both have been questioned regarding any alleged discussions or disclosures related to the conspiracy of the incident. So clearly, of course, now it is being examined, Shweta, as to whether they held any discussions with a third person on the crime, on the incident.
That is right. In fact, this is the biggest scoop of the day. What we are telling to NewsX viewers, that there are possibilities of third conspirator also when it comes to Ketan Agarwal murder case. Remember, 2 accused are already in police custody, and there are 2 eyewitnesses. Remember, Neeraj Kumar, one of the employee of Chetan Chaudhary, and the other one was the security guard. But having said that, it is very important to understand at this point of given time is that third conspirator name is emerging, as it is believed to be Chetan Chaudhary's classmate. Now, who is this classmate and what exactly the conversation was shared between Chetan Chaudhary, Goyal and the particular classmate in question? So this is a part of police investigation, but yes, a big scoop in this case that there are multiple people involved and people who knew about the planning and the hatching as well as the execution of Ketan Agarwal murder.
All right. Thank you, Shweta, for joining us with those updates. Now, news from Karnataka. Bengaluru police have made the first